So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be discussing about the basic formula in Excel. Alright, let's dive into it. We'll be talking about the minimum function, the maximum function, sum function, the average function, and the count function. So let's go. Right. So right here we have a data for a company data mined. So we have the last name, first name, status, and the salary. All right, let's start with the minimum function. So we want to calculate the minimum salary. We want to know how much they pay for the minimum salary. So we are going to use our minimum function, which is our minimum function. Then we have, all right, so we have $12,000 as our minimum salary for this company. All right, let's go to the maximum salary. The person that received the highest salary on the payroll. Right now we have $41,000 for the maximum salary. Now we want to know how much the company is spending on salary. So we have to calculate the total salary paid to their employees. So we are going to be using the sum function in order to sum up all the salaries that are paid out. So let's use our sum. Sorry, when you're working with Excel, the first thing whenever you want to use your formula is to put in your equal sign. So we have sum order. So the company is spending $273,050 on salary. So they are using this amount on their employees. So we want to calculate the average salary. We know the average is total sum of everything by the number of employees. So but we don't need to be going through that stress. There's a function in Excel called the average function. So let's go and use our average function. So we have $27,305 for average worker in this company. Right. So let's go to our count function. So we want to know the number of employee in this company. Right. So let's start with our count function. Count. Wow. Are you surprised that we have 0? Okay. I thought we should be having a particular number, but right now we're having 0. So let's look at what can be wrong. Let's go on. Let's use count A for this, the counter function. Alright. Right now, so we have 10. So the total number of employees is 10. But the question is, why is this 0? Now, whenever you are working with text, you don't use count function. Count function only works with number. It only works with integers. So let's assume this list is occupied with numbers or is filled with number. Let's put 1, let's put 2 here. Alright, now you can see now it's only counting the numbers which are 1 and 2. It only counts the cells that takes the integer value, but we don't really need that now. Alright, so we have 10 employees working in this company. Alright, so let's use our count blank. We want to know if we have blank rows in this data. So we can use our count blank, then come to this. Right. So it's telling us that we only add 2 blank cells, which are row 7 and row 10. So we only have row 7 and row 10 to be our blank cells. Right now, I think we understand the basic functions in Excel. So the next video I'll be dealing with sum function, sum if function, and count if function, and how it's applicable to this data set, and how you can be able to use those functions to work efficiently at your workspace. make sure you subscribe and let me know about your comment in the comment box. Thank you.